Friends, here is the last problem based on the same direction. That is, we have to find the mirror image for this given word. Okay. And in this example, the mirror is placed at the bottom. In the previous examples, what we have seen, the mirror is placed to the left side of the given object or given figure. But here, if you see, the mirror is placed at the bottom. So the technique that we have used for previous problem is not going to work for this problem. Okay, the same technique not going to work, but there is a different technique which can be used to get the mirror image for this given word. So depending upon the mirror placement, the technique changes. If mirror is placed something like this, then that technique, that is first part becomes second part and second part becomes first part, can be used. When a mirror is placed at the bottom like this, there is a different technique. I'm going to explain that technique. Here what happens is, this word REASON, you just divide this into two parts like this, and this is called as top part and this call it as bottom part. Now what happens is, this bottom part becomes top part and this top part becomes bottom part. Okay, when the mirror is placed at the bottom, this technique should be used. When the mirror is placed beside or left or right side, then you have to use the previous technique which is explained in the previous problem. Okay, let us see. As I said, the top part or top portion going to become bottom portion or bottom part, and this bottom part goes to the top part. Using that, I'm going to draw the mirror image for this word. Here is the word reason. First I'm drawing this letter R, next E, next A. As I said, this is the top portion. Okay, this is the top portion. Now it is becoming bottom. Okay, you are saying, I think you are observing the things. Top portion becomes bottom, and bottom portion, this is the bottom portion. You can see this is going to become the top portion. This is the technique. Whenever the mirror is placed at the bottom, use this technique, that is top portion becomes bottom portion and bottom portion becomes top portion. In the same way, I'm going to write this yes. As I said, this should go bottom and this should come to the top. That is like this. Is it correct? Yes. Now moving to this O, how this will appear? This is $1 million question. How this O appears in the mirror? This appears same as it is, because it is a circle. Circle, if you see this circle from anywhere, it's going to appear the same. If you see that in mirror, if you see that in water, if you see directly through your eyes on the board or on anything, it's going to appear the same. Okay, next coming to last letter, that is N, how this will appear. Okay, this will appear like this. So this will be the mirror image for the given word reason. Now just cross verify this mirror image with the given options. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. Come to first option. First option is, see, the first option is here. Is it matching? Yes, it is exactly matching. That's why first option itself is the right option. Now there is no need to cross verify other remaining option. Just take that and move to next problem. At the same time, yes.